Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Best Sellers Market channel. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. We have an exciting show lined up for you. Today, we're diving into the world of top-notch cleaning products, focusing on the best-selling cleaners on Amazon. These products have garnered rave reviews and have become household favorites. Whether you're looking for something to tackle tough stains, keep your surfaces sparkling, or maintain a fresh and clean home, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and start our countdown of the best-selling cleaners on Amazon. Sit back, relax, and let's discover which products have made the biggest splash in the cleaning market. Let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling cleaners on Amazon, the Hosa D5S6 Keg Deoxit 5% Spray Contact Cleaner. This little marvel is a game-changer for anyone serious about maintaining their audio equipment. Imagine a cleaner that doesn't just clean but also protects, lubricates, and boosts conductivity. The Hosa D5S6 is all that and more. It breathes new life into your electrical connections, ensuring you get that crisp, clear audio quality every time. It's not just about cleaning, it's about rejuvenation and enhancement. Now let's talk action. This fast-acting deoxidizing solution is no slouch. It obliterates dust, debris, oxidation, and corrosion. Say goodbye to unwanted noise and hello to restored contact efficiency. The result? Smoother performance every time. Worried about safety? Rest easy. This cleaner is safe on all metal connectors and contacts. It's gentle on plastics and other materials, making it an all-rounder in your maintenance toolkit. Just a heads up, due to its hazmat safety, it's non-returnable. But with the results you'll get, you won't be thinking about returns. Versatility is key. Whether you're dealing with connectors, contacts, switches, potentiometers, or other metal surfaces, this cleaner is compatible with all audio equipment. Think musical instruments, pedals, amps, mixers, you name it, it handles it. Convenience is a given with the Hosa D5S6, packaged in 5 ounces. Aerosol spray can with an adjustable valve applicator, it offers a seamless user experience. The flushing action is powerful, and it evaporates within 2-3 minutes, leaving no residue. In essence, the Hosa D5S6 Keg Deoxit 5% Spray Contact Cleaner is your go-to for maintaining peak performance in your audio gear. Experience the difference and elevate your audio experience with just a spray. Next up in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling cleaners on Amazon, holding the prestigious number 4 spot, is none other than the CRC Brakleen Brake Parts Cleaner. Non-flammable, weighing in at a solid 1 pound 3 ounces, model 05089. This isn't just any cleaner, it's the original brake parts cleaner, the benchmark in its category. Formulated to act fast and work wonders, Brakleen takes on grease, brake dust, brake fluids, oils, and a host of other contaminants with unwavering efficiency. Its power is undeniable, leaving brake parts, linings, and pads pristine and performance-ready. In the realm of brake maintenance, safety is paramount. That's why Brakleen is non-flammable, giving you peace of mind as you tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs. Its robust formula ensures no flammable residues, making it an indispensable tool in your garage or workshop. However, it's important to note that Brakleen has some restrictions. Due to state regulations, it cannot be sold for use in California or New Jersey. And for those on Catalina Island, this item is off limits. But for everyone else, it's a game changer. When you reach for CRC Brakleen, you're not just choosing a cleaner, you're opting for the gold standard in brake maintenance. It's a testament to reliability, efficiency, and safety, trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Experience the unparalleled cleaning power of CRC Brakleen and see why it continues to dominate the market. Number 4 on our list, but number 1 in the hearts of those who demand the best for their brake systems. Taking the spotlight at number 3 in our top 5 best-selling cleaners on Amazon is a true icon in the realm of maintenance, the WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner Spray, coming in at 11 ounces of pure cleaning power. The name WD-40 is synonymous with trust and reliability, and their Specialist Contact Cleaner is no exception. Designed to tackle the toughest grime, this cleaner excels at removing oil, dirt, flux residue, and condensation from your most sensitive electrical equipment. The magic lies in its quick-drying, residue-free formula, ensuring your gear is left spotless without any lingering mess. When it comes to cleaning delicate electronics, precision is paramount. WD-40 Specialist delivers with pinpoint accuracy, blasting away contaminants from printed circuit boards, controls, switches, precision instruments, and electric panels. It's the go-to for those intricate tasks where every detail matters. Safety is a top priority, and this cleaner checks all the boxes. It's safe on most plastics, rubbers, and metals. though a quick test on plastics is always a good practice. Just avoid adhesives, device screens, and keyboards, and you're good to go. The WD-40 Specialist line isn't just about general maintenance. It's about solving specific problems with industrial strength quality. These products are engineered for the toughest jobs, meeting the high standards professionals demand. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a DIY enthusiast, you can rely on WD-40 Specialist to get the job done right. Enduring extreme conditions is part of the WD-40 brand's legacy. Their commitment to high-quality products means you have a dependable ally in your toolkit, ready to face any challenge. Embrace the power of precision with WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner Spray. It's not just a cleaner, it's a testament to excellence and reliability, securing its rightful place at number 3 on our list. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling cleaners on Amazon? Well, don't be a clean freak, and make sure to scrub that like button, polish the subscribe button, and spray the bell icon so you never miss a spotless video. Securing the prestigious number 2 spot in our countdown of the best-selling cleaners on Amazon is a powerhouse in fuel system maintenance. The Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner, a 12 ounces pack of unmatched performance enhancement. Chevron Techron is not just a cleaner, it's a complete rejuvenation for your fuel system. It meticulously cleans, restores, and protects every component, from fuel injectors and carburetors to intake valves and combustion chambers. Imagine transforming your engine's performance, bringing back that lost power and acceleration, and reviving fuel economy. It even ensures your fuel gauge sensor operates with pinpoint accuracy. Engine troubles can be a thing of the past. Techron reduces rough idle, engine surge, hesitation, and spark plug fouling, ensuring a smoother, more reliable ride. And when it comes to cold starts, this cleaner significantly improves performance, making those early morning starts a breeze. Plus, it stabilizes fuel for up to a year, giving you peace of mind. The versatility of Chevron Techron is unparalleled. For automobiles and trucks, use it every 3,000 miles or at your next oil change. But its benefits don't stop there. This cleaner is equally effective for motorcycles, dirt bikes, boats, ATVs, RVs, watercraft, lawn care equipment, and more. Whenever you need it, Techron is ready to deliver. In essence, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is a guardian for your fuel system, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. It's no wonder it stands proudly at number 2 on our list, trusted by countless drivers and enthusiasts alike. Experience the transformation with Chevron Techron and let your engine roar back to life with every mile. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling cleaners on Amazon. Claiming the coveted number 1 spot is the Gumout 8000002231 Carb Choke and Parts Cleaner, a robust 14-ounce can packed with unparalleled cleaning power. Gumout is your go-to solution for those persistent engine problems. Struggling with hard starting, rough idling, stalling, or high exhaust emissions? This cleaner tackles them all head-on. It's engineered to quickly and efficiently remove stubborn deposits from both the inside and outside of your carburetor, enhancing engine performance and boosting fuel economy. Imagine a cleaner that delves deep, breaking down and eliminating gum, varnish, and dirt that clog carburetors and choke valves. Gumout doesn't just clean, it rejuvenates your engine, ensuring it runs smoother and more efficiently. Versatility is key, and Gumout excels here too. It's not just for carburetors and choke valves, it effectively cleans all unpainted metal parts. The formula works rapidly, drying quickly to leave parts spotless and ready for action. Gumout 8000002231 isn't just a cleaner, it's a game changer. Overcoming hard starts, smoothing out idle, preventing stalls, and reducing emissions, it revitalizes your engine like no other. Trusted by mechanics and car enthusiasts alike, it's the ultimate choice for those who demand excellence in their vehicle maintenance. In summary, Gumout 8000002231 Carb Choke and Parts Cleaner stands unrivaled at number 1. It's the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and reliability, making it the top choice for your cleaning needs. Experience the ultimate in carburetor and parts cleaning with Gumout, and see why it's the best-selling cleaner on Amazon. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling cleaners on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.